Good evening, class. So this is general mathematics, and the topic that we're going to discuss is about the piecewise function and using it as in word problems. So I have here an example of a word problem for a piecewise function. So let's read. An internet cafe has a flat rate of 40 pesos for the first hour of surfing the internet. An additional 20 pesos will be added for every hour excess afterwards. Construct a mathematical model of the charge, which is represented as function of c x, where x represents the total number of hours surfing the internet. Now for this problem, the first sentence is our first piecewise function. So to represent this as in a mathematical model, so the flat rate for using the internet for at least an hour is 40 pesos. So we must write 40 when Rx is less than or equal to 1. So that means we will pay 40 pesos for using the internet for less than an hour or equal to 1. Less than 1 hour or equal to 1 hour. So this will be the first statement, which have the inequality, which is x is less than or equal to 1. The next piecewise function is defined as in the second sentence, an additional 20 pesos will be added for every hour excess afterwards, which means for our base 40 pesos, an additional 20 pesos will be charged for every hour, which is represented by x, minus the base hour, which is 1. When x is greater than 1. So this will be the second piecewise function. 40 plus 20 enclosed in a parenthesis x minus 1 when x is greater than 1. So this will be our two mathematical models for the word problem of piecewise function. Now let's try to solve for this. Let's try to find out if letter A is 1 hour and letter B is 3 hours, letter C 5 hours, and letter D 6 hours. So let's try to solve for letter A when A is equal to 1. So when A is equal when our charge is equal to 1, then we are going to use the first piecewise function, which is 40 pesos. Since when x is less than or equal to 1, so we must use the first piecewise function, which is 40. So therefore 40 is the answer for our letter A. For letter B, we have to look for the answer. So B is equal to 3. So 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, we must use this piecewise function. So 40 plus 20, Rx is 3 minus the base hour, which is 1. So the answer is 40 plus 20 times 2 equals 40 plus 40 equals 80. So our letter B, when x is equal to 3, the charge, the total number of hours surfing the internet is 3, so the charge will be equal to 80 pesos. So let's solve letter C. And we are looking for 5 hours. So 5 is also greater than 1. So we must use this piecewise function. So 40 plus 20, and then our x is equal to 5 minus 1, which is the base hour. So the answer is 40 plus 20 times 4 equals 40 plus 80, and 40 plus 80 is 120 pesos. So when our x is equal to 5, the charge for internet usage is equal to 120 pesos. For letter D, when x is equal to 6, so x is greater than 1 also, 6 is greater than 1 also, therefore we still use this piecewise function. 40 plus 20, and our x is equal to 6, and minus the base hour, which is 1. So equals 40 plus 20 times 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 equals 40 plus 100. Therefore, the total charge for surfing the internet for 6 hours is equal to 140 pesos.